What's this? You gave me the wrong thing again. There's nothing there. This isn't even food. It's not. There's something in there, actually, in a bag. I can tell there's a plastic bag. I think this is plasticine, actually. This is marmalade. Marmalade, is it? Maybe. I don't know. I'm not sure. You've got to give me an answer and make a decision. You'll need to pick what you're going to use for your khachapuri. No, I'm not using this. You're not. Why not? Actually, wait. This is cheese. This is cheese. Max, you know a way you can find out if it's cheese or not. How do I do that? Do I taste it? Right. What a great idea. Look at it. Or I guess in your case, you can't look at it, and think how you can be sure what it is. You have to taste it. Take a little bite. You can smell it at the very least. That's cheese. That's cheese for sure. Do you think you're going to need it for khachapuri? Yeah, sure, I guess so. Perfect. Keep it close. I don't need it. We need to keep searching and find some eggs. Here you go. I'm going to put a bunch more jars in front of you. What do you think that is? That feels like... I don't know what that is. What is this thing? Don't you want to try that? Oh, no. Well, why not? This smells like a chemical, like perfume. I sure do love the taste of Nouvelle Étoile in the morning. You know what I'm talking about? Go ahead and try it. Why would you drink it? It's so poison. Though it does say berry flavored on the bottle. It's good. You should try it. I don't understand what this is. Golly. Tell me, what is this? You don't understand, do you? Well, I see that you're a bit of an explorer, a bit of an adventurer. You're just tasting things left and right. Tell me, what did you find this time?